What's up, everybody? It's your girl Yola back again for another good video, honey. And I have a special guest. Would you like to introduce yourself, sir?
My name is Rashad Brown. And when I grow up, I'm going to be a multi-billionaire. I'm going to be a billionaire. Yeah, that's all.
Anyways, this is my son. My son, Rashad. This is my oldest child, my little boo. Look at him. Him so handsome. Looking like his mama. Anyways, but today we are going to do something a little unorthodox, honey. We're going to do something a little different with a little makeup, honey. We're going to let Rashad beat my face. And y'all pray for me. I put my eyebrows on because we was not even going to let him try that. I came to look at a whole bucket mess when I'm done. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to let him do my makeup because my kids watch me all the time. So why not? He's been asking. But you already know what to do. If you've gotten this far in this video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. So every time that I upload, you are the first one to know. Also, leave a thumbs up for your girl. And leave a comment down below letting me know what you liked about this video. But without further ado, let's get into this good video. I'm nervous. Go ahead and look. Which palette? No, close it. Okay, so which palette? So he picked up the Juvia's Place, the Magic Mini. I love this brand. They are so everything. Make sure that you are like subscribed to their email too because they be having some bomb deals that they send in a little email or whatever. Okay, so we got this little palette. Okay, what you putting on the lip? Or you want to do the makeup first and then figure out what you're going to do? I'm so nervous. Oh, my God. All right. We got the Too Faced, I think it's called Rich Girl. Rich Girl lip gloss that I got in my BoxyCharm. We got some brushes. Woo! I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
You're not the only one.
Oh, my God, y'all. Okay,
wait. You're gonna have to guide me. I don't know everything.
Okay, that's why we have to guide him. Okay, no, don't use that brush. Okay. Girl, he was trying to put a whole bunch of makeup of this is not the right brush. This is for highlighter. So you want to start? Well, you have to let me know what's the colors you're trying to do. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, wait, just wait. Please don't poke me in my eye. Wait, look how you hold the brush.
It's how you hold a paintbrush.
You're supposed to talking to me.
This is how you hold a paintbrush.
Okay, come on. Ooh.
So like around the eyes. Like.
Oh Jesus, I'm scared. Wait, let me get a mirror right here so I can see too. Okay. Boy, he light as a feather. He don't want no color to get on here. Don't touch my eyebrows, though.
Okay.
Ah! Okay. Ooh.
It's gonna be okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, Jesus, help me. Oh, my God. Look at where he is going, y'all. Come on, friend. You better not touch my eyebrows, friend.
I'm not.
Friend.
I'm not.
Oh.
Mom, stop moving. Oh, it's gonna make me do
it. A few moments later.
Let me see. Okay, it's some color on there finally.
It's not too bad.
It's some color on there. A little Juvia's Place. Oh, we going to the other eye. Oh. Okay. I can't stop. I'm nervous. Okay, go. Oh. I know y'all lied. Wait. It ain't nothing coming off.
Oh, I'm using the wrong side.
Boy, you ain't using the part with no color on it. Ooh, Jesus. Oh, he gonna mess my little eyebrows up, Lord. Somebody. Okay. Yeah. So far, so good.
Go get him, Timmy, your mama's little champ. Oh no, Nancy, he sucks.
I don't do it. Now we're gonna try this
You ain't gonna blend it or nothing?
What do you mean blend it?
You ain't gonna blend it in, friend? This is it?
What are you talking about, blend it?
Blend, friend, blend. Like this, friend.
Blend.
You take the little... First of all, he put it on. Blend, friend, like this. Look, friend. Friend, look. You're supposed to be watching.
Because, like, you know.
Baby! He said he trying to make me look like the little lady with the little... Yes! Help! Friend, you're not looking. No, look, you're supposed to blend it like this. I don't know how I'm supposed to do yours because I don't know what's going on, but you're supposed to blend it. Okay, you ready for the next color? Don't use that brush. Find you here.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, look at it. Okay. Not ready. Not ready. Not ready. Where we going? Where we going with this? Oh, we putting it right over the same thing. Oh, I'm so scared. My eyebrows, Lord.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
It's the last one. The last one.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Wait. Okay, come on and fit.
It looked like a fairy just do that. Fairy dust at you. I'm sorry. I had to say it.
Anywho. Oh, okay. We getting real. Okay. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yes. Because it looked like somebody just sneezed on the side of my face. Right here. He's doing the lip.
It's the easy part though.
Oh. He said it's the easy part. We'll see. Look, I'm scared. Wait, let me get my mirror. Ooh. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, this is You gotta stop. You gotta stop moving. You gotta stop moving. You gotta stop moving.
Oh my.
You look beautiful. Guys, she look beautiful.
Look, let me help you a little bit.
Oh.
The little Jeffree Star. Y'all can't see, but I literally have a tear forming.
We're gonna make a comment. In the comment section how this is going so far.
Oh, please leave down in the comment section how you're feeling about this. Please do. I'm so scared. Oh my God, dang, you just tried to stab me in the face. That boy said, rawr.
Okay.
Can we get gentle? Look at that smoke in my eye.
Okay.
Hurry up for a try. Okay. Look, I'm scared. Hurry up and rub it in, friend. Oh, he just dumped it in there. Oh. I'm looking down because I'm looking in the mirror. Oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Don't you use them trifling hands. You ain't washed them hands.
Oh,
It's a lot of brushes right here, huh? Let me give you one. Brush. A whole gaggle. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh.
You look like a magical clown. It's good. It's a good look. Magical clown. That should be what this is called. Magical clown. The magical clown look. Y'all should try this look. It's really good. The magical
A
clown.
magical clown. I'm a clown. I don't know if y'all can see what he did.
Let's get some more on this side.
Let's get some more.
Yeah, get some more on this side.
No, you lied. You better go on the other side. That's I know you lied. Boy, baby trying to stab my face.
This is looking great so far. Magical. I just realized something.
What?
I just realized something.
What did you realize? I got tears.
I just.
What you? Why you put some out? Ah!
I gotta put it on your cheek.
Where?
Cheek.
Oh my God! I
I
need some tissue because I'm crying.
gotta put them on your cheek. This will finish the look. This will finish it. It was good. You good?
I'm having an anxiety attack.
Great. Woo. Got the mascara. What's wrong?
Boy, you better be extra careful with my eyes. I already can't see.
Please stop back and forth.
Oh my God.
Alright.
Oh.
I'm
my
shaking.
God.
I'm
Oh.
shaking.
All I feel is it touching my skin. So I'm gonna bring my little mirror back. Come on.
I'm shaking. Oh my.
And then you see her using blue. Oh my. Oh, okay. I'm dying inside. Dying inside. Dying inside.
It looks.
Come on with yourself. And oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. Are we done?
Yep.
Oh, look at me. Now, if he was a little kid, I'd have pretended like I was looking like something, honey.
It's the magical clown.
So here's the final look.
Tell us what y'all think in the comments. Leave us a big like. Because if I find out you press that dislike button, watch it back me.
Watch your back me while I'm over here gleaming on this side. But if you've made it this far into this video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Give us a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know what you liked about this video. And until next time, remember to, we got to say it together. Okay?
Always.
No, how you going to say it just to get the talking? Always be unique. And until next time,